What's up guys, I'm glad to have you back. So it's been a while we talked about the Bittoken app and I've actually been getting a lot of questions about it lately. Okay, so in this video I'll be sharing more ways on how you can earn these BTT tokens, and we're going to talk about how you can convert it to USDT and also withdraw. Okay, and if you're also hearing about the Bittoken app for the first time, on this app you get to earn some money for free by actually mining RP tokens, which you can convert to BTT, then convert to USDT and withdraw directly to your wallet. Okay, so I would like you to watch this video to the end so that I can get the full basic details of what I'm about to share right now. And also, if you're coming across this channel for the first time, here I basically talk about different ways I make money online, ranging from crypto arbitrage opportunities to free updates like the Bittoken, and also paid updates. And if you don't miss out on any update, also on the notification bell so that whenever I drop another one, you're going to be the first to see it. Okay, and also before we proceed, I would like to put out a disclaimer that this video is for educational purpose only, and whatever I'm explaining right now is not a financial advice, and this does not actually guarantee you profit, as everybody have different experience with this app. Okay, so watch this video to the end so that I can basically see how it works. All right, so without wasting much time, let's dive into the process right away. So if you're like me and it's been long you checked your Bittoken app, you first of all need to update it. Okay, and I'll also be dropping the link to the Bittoken app in the comment section down below or in the description section below. And once it is done updating like this, we're just going to open this and you just log into your app. Okay, so right here I have some RP tokens that I need to claim, so I'm just going to claim this here, and here we go guys. So let's quickly talk about how you can earn on the Bittoken app. All right, so the first procedure is actually mining these RP tokens. Okay, and there are different ways you can actually accumulate this RP right here. The first way is by leaving your miner right here, which is mining about 30 RP per hour for you. So this is mine right here, currently mining for me. And if you come right here to the end section, you get to see different social tasks that you can actually perform to earn more of these RPs. And these social tasks are very simple. It's just like following TikTok page, liking videos, commenting on an X post, and the rest. If you click on special right here, you get to see the special task. And if you come here, if you click on view yard, you get to see more tasks. Okay, so the task under this views yard actually gives you 5,000 to 10,000 RP per task, and all you need to do is to watch a YouTube video. You click on the YouTube video like this and you click on start task. Okay, make sure you read the task requirements right here. So a code will actually be dropped in the comment section of the video whenever you click on start task. So if you check the comment section of the video you are asked to watch, you will find the code given. Okay, so people are already giving codes like this. Then you come over to your Bittoken app and you enter the code. So the code for this particular task is crypto. So I'm just going to enter the code here, and afterwards you click on mark as complete. Okay, so you make sure you come back to do this probably after 10 minutes of the video so that you'll be allowed to mark as complete. Okay, now another way you can mine this RP is by watching ads. When you come here, you see these 20 ads right here. Okay, so there's currently a 5x bonus offer right here, which means if you watch one ad which is supposed to give you 1,000 RP, you get 5,000 RP instead, and you have 20 ads here to watch. So if you're able to complete this ads task right here, you should get about 100,000 RPs for doing that. Okay, so that's the basic way of mining your RP tokens, by performing tasks and watching ads. But if you come back here to your home page, you find what we have streak right here. When you click on streak, this is a daily streak that you can perform, and if you keep your streak for 7 days, on the 7th day you get to accumulate 759,000 RPs. So if you get to keep this daily streak for 7 days and you claim this 759,000 RPs, it will actually boost your earning here. And all you need to do is to start from day 1, where you get 1,000 RP. And before you can claim this streak, you need to complete the 20 ads task, which you will find in your in section. This task right here, you need to complete it before you can actually click on your daily streak, and this will actually help you accumulate more RPs. All right, now another way of mining your RPs or accumulating more RP is by boosting your account. When you click on booster right here, you can actually get a bot miner right here that can actually help you to mine while you're away, and it will actually help you mine faster. When you click on this button here, you get to see different miners right here. Okay, up to this miner which can help you mine 250 RP per hour, and that means in 24 hours you should be able to accumulate 6,000 RPs while you are away by not doing anything if you get a miner right here. Okay, so you can read everything about the draws right here in your free time. Other ways you can earn is by inviting your friends right here to the Bittoken, and as they're mining, you get some commission from their mined RPs. Okay, now the next thing is, after accumulating a lot of RP tokens, what's the next step? Okay, now the next step is that on the 16th of every month, your RP tokens that you've actually mined before 16th of that month will be converted to BTT. Okay, now this is the estimated listing price for 1 BTT, but it is not currently listed, but this is the current rate it will be converted for you on the 16th of every month. And to be honest, the rate is actually low, which means for you to be able to accumulate a substantial amount of BTT, you should at least have mined, let's say, 5 million RP token before the 16th of the next month, or before the 16th of every month. Okay, and you can actually accumulate this 5 million RPs by doing these tasks that I actually explained right now, especially when you are keeping the daily streak right here, and also when you're coming here to watch the ads using the 5x boost offer right now. Okay, so if you're able to accumulate at least 5 million RPs, you should be able to convert it for a reasonable amount of BTT. So you can just set your target within that range, so that whenever you finish mining and the 16th of the next month is here, you get a very good amount of BTT, and it will be converted for you automatically every 16th of every month. Okay, now once it is converted to BTT, you find it right here where you have Bittoken. So you can either do two things. Whenever it's converted, you can convert it to USDT in the P2P section, or you can actually stake it to actually earn more. Okay, so there are actually two staking options here. There's the BTT staking and there's the stake mining boost here. Okay, so in the BTT staking, you can actually stake it for 1 month and get about 2.5% of your stakings. If you stake up to 24 months, you get 200% of your stakings. So people are actually doing this also, but it all depends on you. Okay, now we've talked about how to mine your RP token, and we also talk about how the conversion is done to BTT. Now let's talk about how you can convert this BTT to USDT, and it's very simple. Once you've accumulated enough BTT right here, you click right here on where you have P2P. So to be able to use the P2P, you need a KYC. Okay, and to perform the KYC, I think you need about 1 USDT in your balance to do that. So you can actually fund 1 USDT into your account to complete the KYC. Okay, and once you're done with the KYC, you will have KYC approved on your display like mine. So I'll click on start P2P right here. This will take you to the P2P section. So you come right here to where you have instant buy or sell, bring you right here to an interface like this. So I have 23 BTT balance, and that's currently worth about 0.18 USDT. And this is because I've not actually been mining on this app, as I've actually placed withdrawals previously from it. And the rate at which you're selling your BTT for USDT is around 0.0078 per BTT. So 1 BTT is currently 0.0078 USDT. So this basically means 1000 BTT will give you about 7.8 USDT here. All right. And of course, withdrawal works on the app. It's been a while I actually withdrew, but the last withdrawal I placed was around 14 USDT, and after fees I received around 13.57 USDT into my wallet. Okay, we charge the 5% fee for your withdrawals. Okay, and the minimum amount you can withdraw is actually 10 USDT. All right, and you're going to be using your BEP20 wallet address to actually withdraw. All you need to do is put in the amount you want to withdraw. That's after converting your BTT to USDT. Paste your wallet address right here, and then a verification code will be sent to your email. Enter that code here and click on submit request button right here, and just give it about 72 hours for your withdrawals to actually arrive. Okay, so that's basically how you can actually mine the Bittoken app, and those are the new methods you can accumulate more RPs as of now. Okay, so this update has been going on for over 6 months right now, and I guess people who started mining on this app the first time I dropped the update should have been able to earn something from it and actually place withdrawals. Okay, so the basic thing is to just start if it is something you're interested in. I'll be dropping the link in the comment section below or in the description section below. You can check it out, and also let me know what you feel about it in the comment section down below. Okay, so I'll be seeing you guys in my next update. Have a nice day. Bye.